Hi guys, Alan here, J-Mac Fitness. Today's workout is a conditioning core workout. So basically you're going to work between 30 seconds of conditioning, 30 seconds of core. So you'll be in an active rest in your core, but you're still going to be activating the core, so we're going to work out of it. There's 8 exercises, will be broken down into pairs. So four rounds. Each pair you'll be doing 30 seconds on, 5 seconds off, 3 times. As soon as we have the whole lot done, that's us. Make sure you do a warm-up before, it's in the description below. Subscribe and like if you like the videos. If not, subscribe and like anyway, because I'm giving you a free workout, yeah? No problem. So what I want you to do now is, if you like this, check out my high intensity workouts and my body challenges if this is the type of workout you need. There's no excuses for not to do this workout. You're going to be finished in a few minutes. So get ready, 10 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. Mountain climbers. Okay, lean forward, get the knees right up to the arms, really working hard. Push it out. Keep going. That's it. Push it. Keep going, push. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Halfway there. Gone past, way halfway. Here we go, nearly there. Right, 5 seconds, hollow rock. So we're going to hold it like so. And then move over to the left hand side and then to the right. So the whole core's getting worked. Got it? Really feel this. Heart rate is flying because we have to push it really hard there. But we're still getting the core working. Legs are lifted. Okay, head is up. Core is engaged. Halfway there. Keep going. Right, back to mountain climbers. Here we go, let's go. Lean forward on it, keep going. Push it. That's it, halfway there. Keep going. This is the condition, so we want to get the heart rate up. And rest, not too long. Here we go. Okay, over and back. Keep going. So hollow rock. Keep going. Really getting the core working here. All the muscles engaged. Keep going. Oh yeah. Halfway. Oh. Gone past it. That's it. Last time on this round. Let's go. Push. Lean forward on it. Hit them feet. And work as fast as you can. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Push it out. That's it. That's it. Hold it. Up and back. You roll it to the left, then to the right. Bring the feet up if you feel it. You're going to drop. Halfway. Keep going. That's it. Right, next one, guys. We sit up, burpee, Russian twist. Right, up we get. Burpee. Oh. Sit down, and then up we get again. Burpee. Oh. And sit down. Keep going. Don't care what happens. Just keep pushing it out. And burpee. Oh. And down. Let's go. Okay, Russian twist. That's it. Targeting that core again. You can put them down if you have to, because it's tight. Oh, push it out. Feeling it here, guys, myself. So, remember, just keep going. Okay, here we go again. Here we go. Let's go. Really thin. Okay, rest. Here we go. Second time. That's it. Get it right across. Feeling it. Keep going. Push. Halfway. As you can see, guys, I'm feeling right tight now. So you have to just keep going through. Okay, last time. Nearly there. That's us halfway through. Keep going. That's it, excellent stuff. Alright guys, Russian twist. Push it out, come on, keep going. Keep going. You have to put them down. Keep going. Come on guys. Excellent. Okay. Right, scare swings. Scare jump, yeah? Down we go. Up. Push. Into. Keep going. Okay, plank hand touch. So now I'm in plank position. I'm going to touch the hand and touch the opposite hand. So I'm moving left to right. Gear swings again. Let's go, second time. Let's really put it in now, come on. Keep going. Push. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Keep going, push it. Come on. Let's go. Plank, hand touch. Let's go again. That's it. We're nearly there, guys. One more round of this. We keep going. Come on. Keep the hips low. Push it out. Come on, keep going. Okay. It's gear swing, here we go. Keep going. Really getting the heart rate up there. Whole body movements. Pushing. When we finish, no matter. It doesn't matter. Getting her in. Keep going. Oh well. Really going. I can't touch here. No excuses. Short in time. Yes. Absolutely no excuse. That's it. Push it. All the way. Okay guys, agility sprint, here we go, all the way across, all the way back, come on, all the way across, that's it, all the way back, oh keep going, all the way across, come on push it out, come on keep going. Okay, hit that core again. Now single legs, knee thrusts. Okay, that's it. Just sit back, find your centre of gravity, and then go. Pull them in. Oh, feel that core now. You can put your hands back if you want. Make it a little bit easier. But I want them knee right up all the time. Attack that core. Up we get. You're ready for sprint again. Come across. And back. Across. That's it. And back. Come on. Come on, keep going, push it. Keep going, push. Hard. Keep going. Right back down. Here we go. That's it. Push. That's it. Push. Come on, keep going. Last time. Let's go. Come on. Finish it. Come on, high. That's it. Come on. Come on, keep going. Push it out. Come on, keep going. Come on, push. Start before, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna keep going. Push it out. Hard. Keep going. Come on. Come on, keep going. Again, no excuses. Okay? Done. finished. Oh, we got 12 minutes. Absolutely no excuses there, guys. So remember to do a cool down at the end. If you like this, subscribe and like. Have a look at my core workouts, my HIIT workouts on my playlists, and go for them. And share the wealth. Tell everybody what the hell is going on at that channel. So well done, guys. Brilliant. Love it.